Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the color palette or accent color on your Samsung One UI 8 version. By default, when you swipe down the notification panel, you can see set the app icon, means quick setting tile icon on your device, brightness icon. If you want to change this color palette icon on your device, tap and hold the black space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Now here you can find the color palette option. Choose a palette based on color from your wallpaper. So tap on it. Now first of all you need to toggle on the color palette on your device. Now here you can see toggle on the color palette. You can see the how it will apply to your app icon or different application quick setting tile icon on your device. Now you can see the wallpaper colors option and basic colors option on your device. So select the option. Here in wallpaper colors you can see the different icons in the wallpaper colors. Also you can see the basic colors here, list of basic colors on your device. So we select currently basic colors, the green color we select. Now you can see apply it to your different icon on your device. Now tap on the apply button on your device to apply it to the quick setting tile icon, brightness icon, toggle button option. Now after applying, just swipe down the notification panel. Now apply, you can see change the color of the settings, toggle button color also change. Now swipe down the notification panel and you can see change the brightness color icon, quick setting tile icon. Also when you go to settings, tap on the connections and you can see change the toggle button icon also on main setting icon. So it will change the color palette or accent color on your device. If you want to apply this color to your application icon or app drawer icon, you can also apply it to home screen by follow the same settings. Just go to wallpaper and style, tap on a color palette and toggle on the option apply palette to app icon. Just toggle on this option so it will apply to the home screen app icon or app drawer app icon also. So tap on the apply button. Now go to home screen and you can see apply this color to home screen or also app drawer on your device. So quite easy to change the accent color or color palette or system accent color on your Samsung One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.